I'm in a 2015 GMC Terrain, and today I'm going to show you how to check your oil level. So first you open the hood, and then we'll look for your dipstick here that will pull all the way out while the motor's off. And then I'd wipe this clean with a good rag or paper towel, and then we'll stick this all the way back in. Then pull this back out. And then on the end here, you should see some grid marks and dots. That dot and the grid marks there, that's your full. And as you get closer to the right, you're getting low. So you really want it within the grid marked range, and if you're not, you want to add some oil. And we'll stick this back in while the motor's still off. Then we'll go to where this cap is and unscrew this cap. And I double check you're using the right type of oil, as well as ideally the same synthetic, conventional, and brand you've been using. Better not to mix and match if you can help it. But we'll just unscrew. And then at the funnel or straight from your quart jug, just fill as needed. Try not to overfill as well, because that could cause issues. But just add your oil, screw this back on nice and tight when you're done. And then I'd start the motor for like 5 seconds or so to circulate the new oil. Turn the motor off. And then repeat the process we did in the very beginning with this dipstick to see if we're full now. And all that said, I wouldn't do any of that in replacement of regular oil changes, which, depending on motor age, mileage, type of oil, things like that, usually varies between about 3,000 to 8,000 miles between oil changes. And to do those, you typically put the vehicle on a slight lift so you can get underneath to the oil pan. You pull the oil plug to drain all the old oil out. You replace any oil filters as needed. And then again, screw that cap on nice and tight, and then up here add all the new oil recommended for your particular motor for an oil change. Screw this back on nice and tight, and then again start the motor for like 5 seconds or so to circulate the new oil. Turn it off, and then once again the process from the beginning to check your dipstick here to see if you're full. But I hope this is helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.